Hello Internet and welcome to my channel again. Today let's unbox something cool, something funny, something we will enjoy. Maybe you're looking at this and thought might be a tablet and it comes with a USB Type-C cable and HDMI cable, but no, this is not a tablet, I'm assuring you. Well, this tablet comes with a protective case, and when you flip the protective case you will see a very glossy tablet. And you have to flip it to see what it is exactly, but it is not a tablet, it is a portable touchscreen. Well, if we look closely at this protective case, it is actually not a protective case. It is an articulated case for helping this monitor to stand still. Well, of course, putting the monitor on this case is a very hassle. It is magnetic, but still it needs a lot of work. And to be honest with you, it is not very stable. But in the end, it does the job. Well, I ran very quickly into this monitor, but I forgot to mention the specs. This is a 15.6-inch portable monitor, and it weighs 1.45 pounds and costs $230. From this side, you will see that it has two USB Type-C, one for the power and one for the Thunderbolt 3 or input. And there's a mini HDMI input as well. And on the other side you will see that there is one input audio jack and volume or mini rocker and on and off toggle. As for the bottom, you will see the speakers firing downward. If you look at the side of this monitor, you'll see that it is very slim from the top and a little bit fat from the bottom. So it can run your regular Android phone with USB Type-C input. And as well it can run on laptops or even consoles. Don't expect to run an iOS device on it. And there is the special thing about this monitor is the fact that it is touchscreen. As you can see, the brightness or the backlight in this monitor is very low. Not because it is faulty or bad quality, no, but it requires external power source. And this power source can be attached to the other USB Type-C port. And you'll see now how the color or the resolution is very crisp. The brightness is really great in this case. It functions the similar way into your phone, so you don't have to grab your phone anymore. Just do everything on this monitor, from YouTubing or any other things. The downward firing speaker is very bad in quality, but they do the job. Even with this portable touch monitor, you can turn your phone into a PC-like interface. And in this case, you will see me how I multitask my phone into this screen, running YouTube, opening Chrome or Google Drive. Even gaming on this monitor is really great. So if you have a game that requires two-player, this will be the best choice of yours. Well, in this case, I'm showing that drawing is a very good example or test to show how the screen is keeping up with my finger, and you can see clearly how it is doing very well. Now we are going for the control of this monitor. As you can see, this monitor is just have a basic setting, so it is not very advanced, but it will do the job or the setting that you want, from brightness to sharpness, colors. It is not meant to replace your PC or your laptop, it's just like a complementary. Because for me, the color accuracy in this monitor is not very the best. But here's the kicker. This portable monitor is not portable whenever you just remove the power source from it. It will revert back to the low brightness screen, and it really requires an external power source. Well, if I crank up the brightness, I can achieve the same result as if it is running on the external power source. But this will happen if I crank it way too much. The monitor will suddenly stop working and it will reboot again, reverting to the old settings. So what I did in the second try is that I didn't push the backlight to the maximum. I just left it somewhere that it is manageable. So what's happening here is that whenever the monitor is trying to draw more power than my phone can supply, it will crash or just stop. And the monitor is very smart because it reverts back to the old setting. Well, one downside of this monitor is the fact that it is very fingerprint magnet. The touchscreen is fingerprint magnet, and even the backplate is extreme fingerprint magnet. Well, in the end, this monitor is very complementary if you are using it with your phone, and it is very helpful whenever you're trying to share something with the people that next to you. Maybe I was supposed to run Netflix on this monitor.